Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, KTM 990 RCR. KTM has once again pushed the boundaries of sport motorcycle performance with the unveiling of the 2025 990 RCR. Known for their high-performance machines, KTM has delivered a bike that promises to set new standards in the sport motorcycle segment. The 990 RCR combines cutting-edge technology, superior engineering, and aggressive design, ensuring it stands out on both the road and the track. At the heart of the KTM 990 RCR is a new 990 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This powerhouse delivers a remarkable 130 horsepower and 75 lb-ft of torque, providing explosive acceleration and a thrilling top-end performance. The engine's design focuses on achieving a high power-to-weight ratio, ensuring that the 990 RCR offers an exhilarating riding experience. Coupled with KTM's advanced electronics package, including ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and launch control, riders can expect precise and responsive performance tailored to their riding style. The 2025 990 RCR embodies KTM's relentless pursuit of performance and innovation, said Stefan Pirer, CEO of KTM AG. This motorcycle is a testament to our commitment to engineering excellence and pushing the limits of what a sport motorcycle can achieve. The 990 RCR's design is unmistakably KTM, featuring sharp, aggressive lines and a race-inspired aesthetic. The bike's aerodynamic bodywork is not only visually striking but also functional, enhancing stability and reducing drag at high speeds. The lightweight trellis frame and carbon fiber components contribute to the bike's agility and handling prowess, making it a formidable machine on twisty roads and racetracks alike. Rider comfort and control are paramount in the 990 RCR's design. The bike features a fully adjustable suspension system, with high-performance WP Apex front forks and a rear monoshock, ensuring optimal handling and ride quality. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars allow riders to fine-tune their riding position for maximum comfort and control, whether they're pushing the limits on the track or enjoying a spirited ride on the open road. The 2025 KTM 990 RCR is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance the riding experience. The bike features a high-resolution TFT display that provides all essential ride information, including speed, gear position, and navigation. Additional electronic aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, and quickshifter further enhance safety and performance, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. Industry experts have praised the 990 RCR for its exceptional performance and advanced features. The 990 RCR is a game-changer in the sport motorcycle segment, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and sharp design make it a standout choice for serious riders. With the 2025 990 RCR, KTM has reaffirmed its position as a leader in the sport motorcycle market. Enthusiasts eagerly await the opportunity to experience this cutting-edge machine, anticipating its arrival at dealerships. The 990 RCR is poised to set new benchmarks in performance, design, and innovation, solidifying KTM's reputation for producing world-class sport motorcycles.